Guys, welcome back once again to the Crypto with B YouTube channel. And of course, for this new year, 2026, I finally decided to transition from airdrop to know your DeFi. So welcome back to you guys for those of you who are new into this space and who want to learn about DeFi, who want to learn about technical, okay, especially setting up your Web3 wallet, okay, staking, bridging, whatever that you name it. And of course, for this first ever episode for this new year, I'm planning to teach you guys on how to swap, okay, by using your Web3 wallet, like your MetaMask, Rebbe, and any wallet, right, that is at your own custody. Okay, so yeah, so let's get started here, okay, for this tutorial. So first thing we're gonna do is to get your Web3 wallet up and running. But of course, for this session, I will not run through how to set up your wallet, but to recommend you this wallet that I'll be using, which is Rebbe wallet. So Rebbe wallet is quite similar like MetaMask, which I find it much more user-friendly, which you can able to start off with rather than going through MetaMask. Because I think for every newbie, most of them are usually focusing on MetaMask, but I find it that Rebbe wallet is one of the best, okay, especially for beginner as well. Even more user-friendly, very straightforward. Okay, you can simply go to rebbe.io. You can download it for Google Chrome, okay, or your mobile. So for instance, this is more towards the desktop side. Okay, so you want to download using the Google Chrome and it will lead you to this site and you can able to add the extension, right, which I've already added, right, for this tutorial. Okay, so yeah, I think first thing you want to have is your wallet get started with your wallet first, and then you need to fund the funds into your wallet in order for you to swap. Okay, so yeah, and then of course, where to swap? That's the most important thing. Okay, so you want to go to a DeFi exchange like Uniswap, which is commonly used by many. Okay, commonly used by many, right? Uniswap. The site here is app.uniswap.org/swap. Okay, so I will paste it later on into the description box so you can be able to run through it. Okay, so the thing here is that you want to connect your wallet. Okay, you want to connect a wallet in order for you to swap. Okay, so first thing you want to connect is your Rebbe wallet. Okay, connect. Okay, so you can see your connect address. Okay, but for instance, I have already placed as know your DeFi, which is my wallet for this tutorial. And so you want to connect your wallet. Okay, connect your wallet. Okay, a prompt you. So now you're already here. And this is a swap feature. We have swap, limit, buy, and sell. So for this tutorial, it's only for swap. And I will not go further into it. So first thing we're gonna choose, right? Select your network. Very, very important. Because here we can see there are varieties of token, but there are also different networks that you have to be careful. You have to be very specific. Okay, because here we can see the first thing that Uniswap chose is Ethereum, which is the Ethereum mainnet, which I believe most of you who are using Ethereum will be here, Ethereum. Then we have like Chain, Base, Arbitrum, okay, and then so forth, which is the layer 2 as well, okay, which is the layer 2. So you have to know what is the layer 2 and the layer 1. Okay, like for instance, now I'm going to swap based on what funds I have on the specific network. Okay, so example, how much of funds do I have on the Ethereum mainnet, which I have only about $4.26 on the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, which is not much. But if I were to go to like example like all network, how much do I have? Okay, now you can see me, I have like BNB. Okay, all right, BNB, Red Ethereum. I have about 5.8 there. Like base Ethereum, I do have like $72. Okay, so I might want to choose for base for this tutorial, right? So base is actually a layer 2. Okay, okay, so you can able to choose base example. All right, and then I'm going to choose for base ETH. Now for layer 2 example, you need to have Ethereum because they are actually using Ethereum as gas fees in order for you to transact. So that is the whole main reason, okay, that I'm using base for this tutorial. So you want to select base, okay, select base, and then token to swap. So now I'm using as Ethereum. I want to swap maybe to, let's say, USDC. So base USDC. Okay, for this example here. So probably, okay, you want to select maybe the lowest amount, or probably you want to do it in dollar. Okay, let's say you want $10. So you want to enter $10 here. Okay, so it will show you this is the amount that you'll be getting. So $10 worth of Ethereum will be shown as 0.00321. Okay, for those of you who don't know how to manage, right? What is the specific amount? Okay, you can simply do this. You can simply click ETH, or you can simply click the dollar. Okay, it will lead you to the dollar. So you can just enter the amount that you want instead of entering the Ethereum value amount, which I believe most of you do not know. Right? So if you enter the Ethereum value amount, you need to do like this. So you don't know, so you need to play around. But if you use the dollar sign, it's much more easier. Okay, so example, $10. Okay, so it's giving me how much here? 9.99898. Okay, so that is the amount that I will be getting. Okay, so what you need to do now is to click review. Okay, and then this is the amount that I'll be receiving. Okay, so fee is free. Look at the network cost. Okay, for base is probably less than 1 cent. It's not even 1 cent. Okay, if you were to use base, let's swap. Click swap. Now it will come out the box for you to confirm. Okay, it's for you to confirm. All right, so you can see here, the total amount that you'll be swapping is 0.0032 Ethereum for this amount, 9.9994 USDC. Okay, all right, so this is a slippage. Okay, I think slippage, if you were to know, is that this is the markup or probably the spread that is happening in the exchange, in the DeFi exchange. Okay, so I think you don't have to worry much on the spread. Okay, but you can proceed to sign. Okay, look at the fees here. Okay, this is a chargeable fees is 0.0013. So it's not even 1 cent. Okay, when you do a swap. So now I'm going to swap. Confirm. Okay, and then done. That's it. Swapping 0.003 for 10 USDC. So now I already have 9.99965 USDC just completed. Okay, it is done. So I already have like how much here? 9.99965. Okay, how much? This is how much here in USDC? Yeah, 9.99965. Okay, so that is the amount that I have after swapping. Okay, all right. And then, of course, here, if you look at settings, they have a slippage here. Okay, but usually we will take auto. Okay, usually we'll take auto here. So we can see maximum of slippage. Plus, your transaction will revert if the price changes more than the slippage percentage. Okay, so the higher the slippage, the better it is. But of course, you have to be very cautious on the slippage, right? You don't want to simply play around. So the best if you can stick with auto. Okay, best you can stick with auto. And then, of course, this one, I think trade default, leave it as default. Swap deadline, leave it as 30 minutes. Okay, so yeah, you want to leave it as it is at the moment. So this is how you can able to swap. Okay, this is how you can able to swap. All right, to have a complete guide, okay, on how you can swap from Ethereum to USDC. Now, from USDC, maybe I want to swap other tokens. Okay, so probably from USDC, what other tokens I can go for in base, right? So I can go for virtuals, I can go for like aerodrome. There are so many tokens that you can able to swap. Okay. So right, for this tutorial, I want to swap back to ETH, go back to Ethereum again. So I click max. Okay. So I'll be getting back 0.0032, okay, 881. So what I do is I click review and I click approve and swap. Now there's a difference between Ethereum swap with USDC. You can directly swap, but this is like an approval first. You need to approve first. Okay, for tokens outside Ethereum, you will need to approve first. Okay, that is standard. Okay, you can see the fees here, 0.0006. All right, and then sign, confirm. All right. Okay, so it's approval. Okay, then you're going to sign another round again to confirm. So I'm going to sign again. Okay, confirm swap in wallet. Can you see that? Confirm swap in wallet. Okay. All right, so this is your confirmation. So you want to confirm, sign, and then confirm again. Okay, so there you go, swap. So successfully swap from USDC to ETH on the base network. Okay, so that's how you can able to swap. You will have gotten back your ETH, okay, in the base network. So USDC is totally zero now, okay, and you have gotten back your ETH. Probably maybe you lose a bit, right, based on the spread, and of course the seepage as well from Uniswap. So yeah, this is the thing about doing DEX, okay, having your own self custody, okay, and of course, okay, getting to play around with it. So quick recap here. Okay, first thing, you want to download your Rabby wallet. Okay, set up your wallet, fund in your wallet if you have already know how to do it, right? From the exchange to your Rabby wallet. And then you want to connect to your Uniswap. Okay, connect your wallet using Uniswap. Okay, and then choose your network. Very important, choosing a network. Which network you want? For example, I choose Base. Okay, all right. And then I swap from ETH to USDC. And then from USDC back to ETH. And then of course you want to confirm, okay, through Rabby, get approved and then swap. That is from USDC to ETH. Okay, so again, like I said, I think common beginner mistakes. I think what to take note is that not checking the max slippage. Okay, probably it could go, probably you might also not aware that the fees, very, very important, is the fees, the gas fees, right? You want to go to this site called gas or Gray, right? Can you see Gray checker, Gray ETH to check what is going on now. Okay, like in the scan, you can see here how much is the Gray now. Is 0.033 at the moment, so it's considered still low. Okay, considered still low now. Okay, because if it goes more like 10 or 20 Gray, then you have to be very careful. You can see now the swap is about 4 cents in Ethereum network, on the Ethereum network. Okay, okay, bridging like 1 cent, borrowing 3 cents. So this is only for swap at the moment. Okay, okay, so I think the gas is low because right now you can see the market condition, it's not so bullish as before. So that's why you can see the interest is not there. That's why the gas is low. Okay, so this is a very basic thing to take note. Okay, and of course, I think for connection, you want to connect your wallet. Make sure you connect properly, right? For first timers, okay? Because I think some of you who connect and then you don't get to see, is this your right wallet or not? Okay, is this the correct wallet that you connect? Because I think maybe you have multiple wallets and then you have missed. Okay, you want to make sure that it's the right wallet and you want to do swap. Okay, guys, so that is all I have for today, and I really hope you guys can able to have some feedback to hear from you and put it in the comment section below on what should I do next, right? I would really appreciate if you guys can able to learn at the same time giving feedback, and of course we can able to grow from here. So that's all I have for today, guys.